Quiz 2 is just chapter 8 and 9, right?
Correct. Just chapter 8 and 9 and one article. There's one question on one article. That's the Walmart article. Remember the Walmart article?
No.
Okay.
Their response
To Hurricane Katrina.
Oh, I like that.
So you just want to take a look at that. All right, the difference between replacement cost value and actual cash value.
Which quiz is this?
Quiz number 2. I'll write that up here. Quiz 2.
What do they stand for?
Replacement cost value and actual cash value. What's the difference between them? Anybody remember? No? That's right. Replacement cost value minus accumulated depreciation equals actual cash value. So if we're good risk managers, we want to buy the coverage on a replacement cost basis, so there's no deduction for depreciation. Okay? Remember we talked about the building is insured for $1 million, fire on the roof, they need a new roof, but they had an actual cash value policy. Bad news. Because what happens is you go price the roof, and they deduct depreciation, and then they give you the actual cash value amount. So we don't want that. We want to buy replacement cost value, not actual cash value. How about the principle of indemnity? Remember we talked about that? To restore the insured to its pre-loss condition, essentially the goal of the insurance companies, right? The principle of indemnity. How about insurable interest? When must insurable interest exist in a property and liability policy? Yes, ma'am?
Can you go back to the first one with that?
Sure.
What was it? It was
The principle of indemnity is the promise of the insurer to restore the insured to its pre-loss condition. They don't want the insured to make a profit. They just want to make the insured whole, W-H-O-L-E, whole. Okay? Anybody want to take me up on this insurable interest question? Kevin? That's right. Kevin's saying insurable interest is, you have an insurable interest in something if you can show that you're going to have a personal loss. What the company can show, it's going to have a loss on its balance sheet. Right? Okay. So I can't buy insurance on this building. I don't own this building. I can buy insurance on my house. That's the concept of insurable interest. When must it exist in a property policy? Mark? Tyler? Yeah, you guys in the back. Mark up. Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead. No, it's not always. It's at the time of the loss. That's when the insurable interest must exist. At the time of the loss. How about life insurance? When must that insurable interest exist?
At the time of the loss also.
When they
No.
die?
At the time of the purchase of the insurance coverage. That's right. At the time the insurance contract goes into effect.
Yeah, but what if you get divorced? Then you can change it, I guess.
You can change it, sure. But as we talked about, some people forget to change it.
So if we don't change it, it's still.
That's exactly right. If you don't change it, it goes, the benefit goes to somebody that really doesn't have any insurable interest anymore, but they did at the time. Okay. How about, well, we talked about the Walmart article. We talked about government involvement. All right, put this up here. Walmart. government involvement in insurance. The benefits of insurance, that's what we started tonight. Okay, we started this class tonight talking about the benefits of insurance. The requirements for insurability. Okay. Factors influencing the demand and supply of insurance. Adverse selection. I think that's about it. Anybody have any questions?
How many
There.
questions and what's the question?
It's mostly multiple choice, and I think it's, I think 3 or 4 short answers again, so it's generally the same format,
The
right?
last one was 20 multiple choice, 5 fill in the blank, I think it was 4 short answers.
What, the last one?
That was quiz 1.
Quiz 1. Don't forget pooling. Remember we talked about pooling last week. Municipalities pooling their exposures.
So, same basically as quiz 1, about 20 multiple choice questions, about 5 fill in the blank. Or
Yeah, 5 true and false. It looks like 20, around 20 multiple choice, and then some short answers, 4 short answers.
What is the reasons the last?
Pardon me?
Would there be a reason the last thing we did? Reasons.
Let's see, you mean the benefits of insurance? Reasons for buying insurance?
Yeah, increase under writing.
Oh, the reasons for buying reinsurance? Yeah, I mean, I would take a look at that. Yeah, sure, the reinsurance, yeah, we just covered that.
Wow, Teresa, you just messed up the